What's the difference between instantaneous control and memory control? This control mode stops the line immediately when a defect or malfunction is detected. This reaction to a problem is the simplest, most reliable, and easiest to implement. However, downtime on a production line can be very costly. Diagnosis feature can be added to aid in identifying the location and cause of the problem. Memory control designed to keep the line running does not stop. If the problem is associated with particular unit, memory control in a subsequent station as it moves towards the end of the line. So they remove the unit later on. Meaning what? Yes, it's defective but does not jam the system. So it slips through the system as this will be changed later on. While instantaneous control, it stops the system immediately. Okay. So let us compare the two scenarios. Using the same automated assembly line as in previous example. Fraction defective rate equal Q0.01. Under ideal condition, instantaneous control M equal 1, which means it jams the system on the spot completely 100%. Every system will jam this, every effective rate component will jam the system. Memory control, on the other hand, it will be M equal to 0. So it will go through the system, does not jam it, but will change it later on. So if we need to compare both scenarios, what will happen? For M equals 0, we've made a calculation. So if we go back to this one, for M equals 0, so that would be the first one, which is M equal to 0, okay? And would be line number 4, and then for M equal to 1, it would be line number 6. What's the difference between the one and how does it affect the cost we have? So for M equals 0, it is memory control, so it does not jam the system, but it remembers a problem, and how does it go through the system.